Want to have a thriving vegetable garden? It's more than just a hobby. It's a way to cultivate fresh, organic produce right at your doorstep. Imagine the satisfaction of cooking with homegrown vegetables. With some simple tips, you too can have a flourishing vegetable garden. Start by planning out your garden. The location is crucial. It needs ample sunlight, good soil quality, and easy accessibility. Don't overlook the importance of picking the right vegetables. This decision should be based on the season and the region where you live. Some plants thrive in the cool spring, others in the heat of summer. The goal is to marry the needs of your chosen vegetables with the conditions of your garden. Remember, the right location and the right vegetables make a big difference. Once you've planted your garden, proper care is essential. Watering, weeding, and fertilizing regularly are the cornerstones of a thriving garden. Keep your plants hydrated, but remember, too much love can drown them. Weeds are uninvited guests that steal nutrients, so show them the exit. Fertilizer, that's food for your plants. Now pests and diseases, they're the villains here. Yellowing leaves, holes, or wilting could mean trouble. But worry not, with a keen eye and quick action, you can beat them. Regular care and attention can keep your garden thriving. Now comes the best part, enjoying the fruits of your labor. Recognizing the right moment for picking is key. Each vegetable has its own signal. Tomatoes get that perfect shade of red, cucumbers firm up, and peppers get a glossy sheen. There's a certain satisfaction in biting into a vegetable that you've nurtured from seed to harvest. And let's not forget, these homegrown delights are not only more flavorful, but also packed with nutrients. Nothing beats the taste of fresh, homegrown vegetables. In conclusion, a thriving vegetable garden is within your reach. Remember, proper planning, care, and timely harvesting are key. Embrace the joy and health benefits that come with homegrown veggies. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.